Hello everybody, welcome. Now where have I been? Now, let me explain a couple of things. You probably don't know, well you're not going to know. Our Nat's disabled. She's got a lot of problems, our Nat has. She's got fibromyalgia, she's got nerve damage, she's got crumbling spine. She's got loads of problems, she's constant pain, chronic pain. So that's where I've been. I've just been looking after her. She's been in pain for the last 2 weeks, just trying to get herself sorted. So I've just been looking after her all weekend. Now, she was outside in the garden the weekend, sitting on a chair, doing a bonsai tree. She does that as a little bit of meditation, takes the pain away, not to think. She got up, fell, smashed all her knee up, her knee's out like a ball now, because she loses her balance all the time. So that's basically where I've been, just looking after her. So anyway, on to today's video. I'm going to be doing what's it called? A tuna melt loaded chips. It's not my recipe. It's off the Tesco website, but I thought it looked nice. Now it says it serves 4 people, and it says it costs £2.19 a portion. But I never got the stuff from Tesco. I got it from Aldi. And I worked it out at £1.57 a portion. So that saves some cash there straight away. So let's show you what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3. Right, I got myself some soft butter, garlic and herb. Whole tub of that. It's 200 gram. I got myself some spring onions. I only need half a pack of that. Got myself a tin of sweet corn. I've got myself some hot salsa. Says use mild, but I'm using hot. I've got myself some tuna chunks in bream. That's what it says to use. I usually buy water tuna chunks, but it says use bream, so I'm using that. Some steak chips. And some cheese. Now it says with the cheese you only need half a pack. But I'm counting the full pack in with a £1.57 price. So first things first, what I want to do, move some of this out of the way. I want to get enough chips in there to fill the bottom. I'm going to cook it in there after anyway. So I do the chips in the oven, but I'm just going to do them in the air fryer for convenience. Right, I'm just going to put chips in here first, we'll stick them in the air fryer because I want to make sure I get enough. I want to fill it all up. That should be enough there. I'm going to stick them in the air fryer. Well, I'm going to get all my chips in the air fryer. I'm going to get them cooked first. It says cook them first. So let's get all them cooked. Right, the chips are done virtually. So I'm going to put them in this here. Put them in here. Get them all in. Oh yeah, looking nice. Let's get that out of the way. Let's move the chips out of the way for a second. Now the instructions say, get a bowl. Get your sweet corn in. Get your salsa in. I know you can buy the other salsa, but this is just as good. Get yourself half of your spring onions in. Now drain the tuna. Get that in if I can. Might need a spoon or something there, or fork. Get the tuna in. Now fold gently. Oh no, pepper first. Now get some pepper in. Say pepper, it doesn't say salt. I've salted the chips anyway. After about halfway doing. Now it says fold gently. Like so. Looks quite nice. I'm going to pour that on the chips. But I'm in your way there, ain't I? I'm trying to get round here. So this serves 4, but I'm not doing 4 because with the chips it says do 900 grams, I think it is, or something. I can't remember now. It says use the old pack of chips anyway, but I ain't using the old pack of chips. Then it says get another bowl, get your soft cheese in. Get it all in, come on, don't be shy, get in there. Get your soft cheese in, then You want a quarter of your grated cheese. So follow it to instructions as I'm doing. There you go, that's about a quarter. You've got to put some more on yet. I don't want to mash that up. Get a spoon. Oh yes. There's that. Now it says, plop your cheese on. Just says plop it on, so it doesn't matter how much, I suppose. It just says get it on. Like so. And then where's my grated cheese, and a bit of grated cheese on top. It's looking quite nice actually, this. Oh yes. I put it in the oven until the cheese is all melted and brown, and then sprinkle these on after. Just for the garnish, I suppose. So I'll get that in the oven. Right, it's ready. I'll show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. Now I'll show you a picture. I'll let you look at mine. There's mine. I think I know where I went wrong a little bit. Let's put a bit of garnish on top. I think I put too much soft cheese in mine, because it was for, obviously it was for 4 people, but I haven't done it for 4, I've done it for 2. Instead of putting it all in, I should have just put half in, but it still looks quite nice. So it's boiling hot, it's just come out, so I can't really eat that yet. But there it is, it looks nice. So don't forget that's £1.57p a meal, I think it was, or something. So half of that's £1.57, which should fill you up with the tuna and the chips, I suppose. But it's what it tastes like. So when it's cooled down, we'll have a taste test. Well, it's cooled down a little bit, not a lot, so it's boiling hot still. So I've got to be careful, burn my hands. But there it is, I mean it looks nice. Seeing there and that. And it smells lovely, to be fair. So let's give it a taste test. It's still warm, that. Put that like that so I don't burn myself. Can you see that with that like that? Hold on. I can't, we've got oven gloves there, but I can't use them. I'm doing my head in. It's going to be scalding, look at this. It smells lovely. Oh wow, that cheese. Oh my God. I've never had that before. That's gorgeous. I'm glad I've done it like that actually, because the chips haven't burnt on the edges. That is stunning. Well done, Tesco recipe. I mean, don't forget £1.50 odd p. There's loads in there. That's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. But there you go. Nice simple recipe. If you want to see more home cooking, budget food, supermarket recipes, I say I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. Bye bye. Gorgeous, I'm having a bit more. It's really nice. So simple. So simple. Wow. Bye bye.